What's going on, my AI guys? So what's going on today is Adobe Firefly, and I got access to the beta. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at what we can do with this stuff here with AI and Adobe Firefly. So as you can see, I'm in the beta here. And there's some examples of what it can do. So example here, text to image is one of the things here. So we can basically go in and duplicate them. What I like about them is they're showing examples. So we can actually steal this and then uh, basically reuse that. So what's cool about this one is it gives you aspect ratio, landscape, portrait, square. And Adobe's what they're trying to do here is they're basically trying to give you the configuration on the sidebar here with a prompt. So this is kind of new to me because Mid-Journey, you kind of have to know the prompts. There's no toggle settings over here. So what you kind of have to do is mess around with this and come out with some styles, what type of content you want, if you want a graphic, a photo, or art. There's a lot of settings here, guys. So I'm out there. In-depth tutorial coming later, but I'm just showing you kind of what I'm seeing so far. What's popular? There's movements. There's all kinds of presets in here, guys, that you can toggle through. Hyper realistic, concept, pixel. I mean, graffiti. The sky is the limit for that stuff, and you can see all of the toggle settings here: techniques, effects, materials, concepts. Crazy. And then color and tone, black and white, muted. It's kind of all the Adobe suites that you've come to love baked into this. So lighting, dramatic, golden hour, all that kind of stuff. It's already baked into Adobe. Composition, narrow to depth of field, blurry background, close up. You can see this. I mean, sky is the limit here, guys. So what's cool is they give you this prompt. You can clear the style, and then it kind of tells you what you've enabled, and then you can kind of hit refresh, and it will spit out some new ones to you guys. I can probably tell that they're bombarded right now because people's got access, but there you go. It's giving you the opportunity to show similar, um, submit to Firefly Gallery, use as reference image, copy to clipboard. I mean, there's a lot of great stuff here. And then obviously the download button. So lots of awesome features there. I think it's really cool. Instead of obviously Mid-Journey going to a Discord server, it's right in Adobe right here. So that was that panel. You can type anything you in here. I did notice that you have to use commas. You can't use bracketry or anything like that. Use commas. Let me go back to the home page here. We just did the text to image feature. So now they have text effects. They have recolor vectors coming soon. And then they have a full gallery where you guys can copy prompts and paste them in there. So let's go to here. I'll just use this one for example. So there's that. It's going to generate it, taking a minute to do that. And it'll actually spit this out in that desired format with your text. So it's pretty cool that you can see that. Let's do AI guy on my channel and see what it comes up with. And you can see it's pretty dang awesome. Mess around with the sample effects. There's a there, text, font, what color scheme, and what have you. And it's we can change this to black and zebra print. See what it does. And it'll generate, and there you go. Really jumping right now for sure. So as soon as that generates, what's awesome about this is, how would you rate it? They're getting feedback. You can submit to Firefly, copy your report, or download. And then as you download, promoting transparency, it's going to be to credit account and continue, and then it's going to give you the image right out. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just want to give you a quick down and dirty. They do have a Discord for other questions. They have labs, and they have a big video here. A lot of the stuff is coming. So it's going to be awesome. There's so much to go over with this, but I wanted to jump in there and show you guys those two. And on the following video, I'll probably have a more in-depth tutorial on each type of effect, the text to image, the text effects, and that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be releasing a lot of AI stuff coming in the future. And I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to show you the new tools, show you how I like them, give you real feedback on how I use them. All right. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.